Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Nike Dunk Low in the Kentucky colorway. Now before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. The Nike Dunk Low Kentucky was revealed by Devin Booker during NBA All-Star Weekend to go along with the Syracuse colorway in celebration of the 35th anniversary of the Dunk. This Wildcats offering of the Nike Dunk Low features a white leather upper with varsity royal overlays, laces, tongue, branding, swoosh logos, and rubber outsole. White continues on the tongue, inner liner, and midsole to complete the design. Look for the Nike Dunk Low Kentucky to release on March 14th at select retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $100. Now, this shoe is not the most hyped shoe, but I do think there is going to be some resell with this sneaker. Now, before we get into the resell, let's just go over this colorway. You have a full leather upper with blue overlays as well as a Nike swoosh. The underlays are white. Looking at the heel section, you have that blue leather tab with the Nike embroidered logo in white tongue with the Nike logo in blue. So the laces on this sneaker are blue. I do imagine it will be coming with some white laces. I really don't see any colored laces going well with this colorway. Maybe some gray laces, maybe black, but for the most part I don't see any other colored laces going well with this sneaker besides the blue ones it has on it and then some white laces. You got a white lining with a white insole, blue Nike swoosh logo, a white midsole with a blue outsole. There really isn't much to say about this sneaker besides it is a Nike Dunk in the Kentucky blue colorway. The quality on here looks to be very nice, so that is always a plus. Let's get into how to cop this shoe. I will leave links where you guys can cop, you know, places to enter raffles, all that good stuff down in the description. So if you're checking it now and it's not there yet, come back later. I usually wait a few days to actually get all that information and then I update the description. So if it's not there, just come back in a day or two and it should be updated. Now let's talk about resale. I definitely think this shoe is gonna have some resale. I don't think it's gonna be anything super crazy. Now, the shoe is retailing at $100 and currently on StockX is going for about $300 to $500 depending on the size. The price is definitely gonna drop once release day happens. With that being said, I do see this shoe going for about $175 to $300 depending on the size you get. Your sizes 8 to 9 are your best bets when it comes to reselling the sneaker. So if you are looking to primarily resell this shoe, you're gonna wanna go for a size 8 to 9. I honestly see any of the sizes over a 10.5 going for under $200. This is a shoe that I actually really want as a personal, so honestly I would be willing to pay resale if it was under $200. There you guys have it. Let me know what you think of the sneaker. Are you going to be going for it as a personal? Are you going to resell? Or are you just going to pass up on this release altogether? Let me know all that good stuff down in the comment section below. Make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23, as well as The Soul Luxury. That's my clothing brand. If you want to check it out, I would appreciate it. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.